Hello, join me as I review the graphical method of finding half-life. So, the graph shows the activity of gold 198. You have been asked to determine its half-life. From this graph, you are meant to evaluate or ascertain the half-life of gold 198. The activity is only given to you in kilobecquerel. Of course, that's the unit of activity, and the time is given to you in days. So what you have to do is look at the highest point on the vertical axis, which is this side now. The highest point where the curve made contact with the vertical axis is on 30. So look at it now. I'm making it bigger so you can see. This is my highest point where this curve touches the vertical axis. This is the highest point here. That means that the activity or the amount of gold 198 is actually 30. So that's the total amount. Amount is 30 kilobecquerel. Remember the definition for half-life. It simply means the average time or the mean time taken for any radioactive substance to reduce by half its original value. So this is the original value of gold 198. We are going to reduce it by half. That becomes 30 times 1/2, which will give us 15. We have reduced it by half. We need to now find the number of days that correspond with this. Where do we get 15? On this vertical axis, look at the 15 mark. So you trace it, you must draw this horizontal line to touch the curve. This will give you 1 mark. If you have not done it, you will lose a mark. You can see what I have done. I have drawn a horizontal line from 15 until it touches the curve. Now that you have done that, trace the same point from here now down to the time axis. This will be the half-life. Measure from 0 to this point. If this is 2, that means the midpoint between 2 and 4 is 3. Now this point lies between 3 and 4 exactly. Of course, this is not a graph sheet, so it will be difficult for me to get the exact value, even though in exam you'll be given a range of values, so you don't have to worry, but you just have to show that you are actually working it out from the graph. So if this is my 3, now I can count 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. So I can say that the half-life is 3.5 in days as calculated from the graph. So this is how to use graphical method to find half-life. All right, leave a comment. If there is any more obscurity that you need me to clarify, please do not hesitate to let me know. I believe you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you around next time. For now, bye and take care.